guys, it's Honey JJB, and today we're going to be playing Bee Storm Simulator, and we're going to be upgrading today. And we have quite a lot of bees, got 21 bees, so let's go check over there. Let's see if we can defeat the Rhino beetle. Well, not the Rhino beetle, but the King beetle. Let's see what we got from the Rhino beetle. I don't care about the honey really, because we got the honey dipper off camera, but it's sick now. Oh my god, it's so scary. This thing is powerful. Know what I mean? Go! Right. Oh no. Oh my god, it's so frustrating when you're fighting this thing and we got 21 bees. Oh my god. This thing is 2,500. Oh my god, we died! No. You're at 800. So close. Almost so close. Let's just go to and collect some money. Cactus field. So we can grind there. You can probably get quite a lot of honey. I think let's go defeat the Rhino beetle actually. That I think we need to do. And there's a chance that we can get a diamond egg. Just guaranteeing a legendary. Which if we can get a new type of legendary, we can create a honey storm. Which is really good. Oh my god, like these stingers will be really bad now. See these things coming out of the ground. Oh my god, no, we're down. Oh my god. Just keep running. Oh my god. We're really low. I run out of stingers. Oh, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to find out a way. Wow, we were getting so close. Last time it was because we had so much stingers. But let's go do the ant challenge actually. See if we can get a better amulet. Is there underscore? It needs a honey dipper and a go hard. He's pretty good. Yeah, check the leaderboard. So that sucks. But 3-3. We need to go to the cactus field and get it. It's a rare sprout. What we'll do later after we get this. Oh yeah. Yes. I'll royal jelly out of this. I really want to see if we can get like another egg or something we can like do a royal jelly on, because we were stacking up jellies and we don't know what to do with them. Actually, let's go see if we can level up our guys to the same level. Get some more legendary bees on level with the others. Ooh, he has 25 bees. Gifted Riley bee, gifted Bomber bee. 4 different types of legendary, so you can make Honey Storm. Let's see what we get. Red bee. Fire bee! Yes! Fire bee, guys! I've always needed it. I needed that. I use a stinger, why? Who cares? We get a fire bee. A thing I've been looking for ages. Commander bee has been transformed to a bomber bee. Rad bee. Then once and for all. I'm gonna put the stingers away actually. Feel like put the ant pass. Let's put them clothed whale actually right there. Hold on. Let's put clothed whale there. Magic bean. Actually, just keep stuff out. If we want to put stuff in again, we can do it. But it's just getting real annoying. Micro converter, then the field dice. Okay. But we get a fire bee. Finally. It's a good one. That's a really good one. Now let's go to Red HQ. Now we can get the red booster. Yes. That's the only bee I've needed. Wait, now how much? 24 types of bees. Yes. Get a gifted red bee still. But I've always needed that. We got 2 red bees. 2 rage bees. Rage bees are good. We need to keep bucko bees and stuff. But I think we're gonna get rid of one of the rage bees. Because those ones are good and all, but like, they don't really do much. They're not that really here. There and stuff, look. 5 types. Yes, field booster. Mushroom field. Perfect. So I was gonna go to the mushroom field. Cause look, I wanna get, like, this is just a good field. If you're a pro, you, on these ones, they give you a lot of pollen. These increase your pollen rate. because they want it to be easier for you to level up to go to 5. And those ones barely give you any. Then it gets harder and then it gets harder. So you just do it in here. But some of them do, like the snail field and the pineapple patch and something like that. Well, the cactus and pumpkin give you quite a lot more. But they're shorter fields. So we just got strawberry. Oh, it's 3 times mushroom field. Now let's just see what we need to fit. We got 24, now we just need to look. I don't want any Bumblebee, Brave Bee, Bumblebee, Cool Bee, Hasty Bee, Lurker Bee. Like, I want that gifted rat bee. I don't want a Rascal Bee, I don't want a Silver Bee. A Summer Bee, yeah. No, that's a rare. No. I don't want any rares except gifted rares. Buckle Bee, we need 2 liters of the blue, 2 liters of the red, and 1 Fire Bee. That's epic. So 1 Rage Bee is gonna go. How much were jellies? 21. It won't hurt. Anyways, we're gonna get 20. We'll still have 21 because we're gonna finish that quest that Brown Bear gave us. And I think if we do 1 more quest for Black Bear, we get another Roger. Man, he has a good team. Gifted Riley Bee, that's really good pull, I guess. Well, it's really good actually. Rage Bee. Start off with. Oh my god, I hate this. Riley Bee. There's another. Shock Bee. Shock Bee is just a little better than a Riley Bee because we only need 2 liters. We don't want the Riley Bee having more. It's like, well, that's not fair. That's not fair. Like, cause you know, like they're rivals. It's like they don't give each other much shots. But we got 19 Roy Jelly still. So we're still chilling. So I think we should be able to do 1 more thing. Let's finish this mushroom. Let's do a little bit of mushroom grinding, then we'll end the video off there. Oh, honey storm. A perfect way to end the video off by having a honey storm. Perfect way to end the video with the honey storm. Perfect way to end the video off. Well, that's going to do it for all you guys. Hope you had fun watching this video, and I'll see you. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!